Hi everybody, I'm going to talk about window cleaning scrapers for bird muck, okay? This is another reason why I like to have the pole hose on the outside. I mean, some people can't live with it, but you get used to it, to be quite honest. And that's how I can use the Rhino tube as a tap. You know, you can kink this stuff and it just shuts the water off instantly. But back to bird muck scrapers. Usually just soak the bird muck and come back to it when you've done the rest of the house, but sometimes you just get that stubborn bit of bird muck and it ain't coming off no matter what you do. So what I do is this. Got one of these big scrapers, carry it on the back of my belt, but also I've got one of these little extensions which actually goes into the top clamp of your pole. Okay, it's got the screw thread on it, but it doesn't matter. This just slots into there. To stop it coming out, you might need to put a little screw in that, because this scraper hasn't got any thread in it. You could glue it in as well if you wanted to. But all you do then, because your pole hose is on the outside, you just undo the top clamp like that. Brush comes straight off with the hose. Throw it on the floor, or maybe not throw it on the floor. Your scraper goes straight in, clamp it up, extend the pole, away you go. Scrape it off, and it's a very quick process. This goes back in your belt, brush goes back on, back to work. Normally of course the hose is coming out of here, I haven't got it on at the moment. Okay, so there you go. That's really, I think, the most efficient method for a bird muck scraper, rather than trying to attach one to your brush all the time, because you've got that added weight and it can be, or gets in the way a bit sometimes. So anyway, there you go, bird muck scraper, job done.